ICU, of course, is just banging again right here. We're up on this double top. See it right there. So you got to be careful. Now look at this, right? Perfect example of a double top. You can see right on those bodies and look right where it stopped right there. You see that? So remember, puts on support because it'll come up like it did and then it pulls way back, right? So this is your payday. Look at it from here to there. That was your payday. See that? That's all profit. Even if it was that quick pullback, it popped up, pulled right back, and look at where it stopped out. See it down here? These as the day goes on, these levels are created. So right here is a channel. This to right here is now a channel because it gave it to us here, 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 here. Does everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
So this is a trading channel. Now, right here, if this pops to the upside, you guys know to go long, watching right here and here. If this pulls back, you already know it's coming right back down into this channel. Otherwise, we're going to long this, watching for right here, because that could be the pullback. Or a candle that comes through and another candle confirmation. There's your long signal, right? Now it just broke right here. We're looking good for a long. Make sure you guys have your stops. I'd have your stop probably down here just in case. But you can see we're getting a little bit of pop. Of course, we have to now watch this critical level. If it breaks that, we're headed right up to here. Everybody seeing how this is working out?
Yes. Now, Coach, now you would also with that is
Yes.
continue to move your channels up as it keeps bouncing.
That's correct. Make new
Okay.
channels throughout the day. Yep, absolutely. So there you go. Now you guys are all getting paid. Now this, of course, does not have a short, which we were trained on yesterday. There's no short button, so you can't short it if it went to the downside anyway. So the play is only going to be anything to the upside. You guys can't short it and long it. So this was the channel right there. And right here, I'm going to get out. Costing me $9. But again, the profit was to be made right here, wasn't it? This was the long to here. That was your money. And you knew already to get out once we broke through here, right? Now check this out. See the way that this got pushed back down here, but it rode right back up? That's actually bullish because that should have been pushed all, that's just sellers should have started to kick in here. So that's actually bullish. So if this was a live event, I would be in it deeper only because this is still bullish. If it keeps getting pushed down to this level right here, this will be the new channel. See it right here?